It may look like a 1960s roadster, but the all-electric RBW MGB is in fact straight out of the 21st century, combining all the character of the original but with all the benefits of a modern car. With a 0 to 60 in 8.7 seconds and a range of 160 miles, this is a future and past classic rolled into one.
Right, so what you've got here, Fuzz, is basically two motors from a Renault Zoe.
Right, OK.
You've got the running gear of a Mark 7 Golf.
Yeah.
You've got the battery from a Nissan Leaf. Everything in this car is new. But from the outside, everyone looking at me is going, good on him, he's driving a classic car. Speed-wise, that thing had a lovely little 1800 in it. This thing, floor down.
OK, this is quick. But there's one thing that is lacking.
What?
The smells. There's another thing that I've recognised that we need to address with Caroline's MGB.
Go on.
If we're going electric, if there are any rattles or crashes or bangs, you're going to hear them. This thing, I reckon, is sound deadened to the nth degree.
That's a good point, because normally a petrol or a diesel engine would mask the sound of rattly stuff.
Yes, it would do.
Right, get it on video. You're too stuck in the data.
Going, right, okay.
Look at the clocks then. Go down at the clocks then.
Right, here we go.
Look at the clock, so you can see at the bottom it says charge. So if I actually rely on the car's momentum, it'll go into the charge zone. So that is regenerative braking.
Yeah, so actually it works in reverse.
Wait,
so the motor's being made to work as a dynamo, as a generator.
As a generator.
And then we've got, well, I've kind of seen one of those before. Where's that from?
That's from a Range Rover.
Ah, I've got to say, it is a lovely car to be in, but...
You know what, but? I'll tell you what, but. You're just jealous, but, because you're not driving.
Oh, yes, I am. I want to know what it's like.
Oh, really? OK, well, lick your finger.
OK.
Yes!